Alrighty, girls. So picking up where we left off, we're gonna take the Must-Turd here and put some turbies on it. So I got one of the GT45s here and started to cut up the exhaust manifolds. So got the factory truck manifolds. We're just gonna do it as cheaply as we can here for now. But what I did, this is about how the factory manifold looks. So what I'm going to do here is I want this to come up. So I'm going to flip it over like this. So I cut a little extra section out. So I'm going to cut it and flip it up like this, and that way we have a nice little bend coming out. And I like to do this a lot with these manifolds. They do have a lot of good bends in them. And on the 350Z that I had, I cut this here and cut it here and then twisted this to make the runner come out a little bit more. So there's a lot of different things you can do and kind of get creative in flipping these over. I even did the same thing with the truck. I used this type of manifold, and then I cut it at an angle here and then was able to flip it 180 and have it come straight down. So you can get kind of creative and make stuff work how you want it to. But that's what I'm going to do here. Now let's start welding. So I could probably take something like this and then put this on up here, and then I'll have, you know, a nice swoop-de-doo that I need. Okay guys, I didn't really record a whole lot. So here it is. The twin turbos. I'm calling them the BACKWURBOS because they're backwards. Turbos, BACKWURBOS. Get it? Yeah, that's hilarious. But anyways, so that's the way I decided to go with them. It just kind of fell into that situation. So probably go, you know, it's going to suck air from back there, and then I might just go straight down. I could go 180 and then out the fender, but I might take this one across to the opposite side and then this one across to the opposite side. I don't know. Depending what size I do, what size downpipes I do, I might be able to fit like a 3-inch here and then bypass a 3-inch there. So we'll see. If not, I might just shoot them straight down. Who cares? So this is not going to be the final layout, but I don't know if I've ever seen like a backwards turbo setup like this. So we'll try it. That's what we're going to do. Maybe I should just be really cool. Should I just suck them down and then go out the front? Wouldn't that be funny? Probably won't do that, but I did think about that, to be honest. Go right out the front. So you're peeling forward and then you're shooting flames out the front. I don't know, guys. That's where we're at. Tired going to bed. Love you. See you later.